Hi everyone, this is the Vnish team. Let's install Antminer T19. Launch Toolkit. Click New Range, enter name and description as desired, enter scanning range, click Save, and scan. Click Open Group. It scans. Select 2 miners to install. Select Command, Install, enter the partner name, firmware version, select the files on the device, and click Install Firmware. The installation process is now running. Now the miners are starting up. It takes about 30 seconds while they are completely restarted. That's it. Our firmware is installed. All the data has been pulled up. Now we have to wait for one more scan. Here we are. Our firmware version 1.2.5 is fully installed. We can go to the dashboard. Find out more additional information about the functionality of our software on our social media. You will find all useful links in the description below the video. If you want to increase the efficiency of your miners, contact us or download the right firmware on our official website. We wish you high profits.